is number 6, and Rough. Early lead is taken by Haley Star from the outside. It's Haley Star in the lead, followed by Jenjen's Joy by the rail, and moving up. It's now Jenjen's Joy, followed by Haley Star, and Platinum Garden moving up on the inside. Angel Eunice and Careless Moment Al Asim. Pride and Joy is bringing up the rear. And nearing the far turn, it's Platinum Garden leading the field, followed by Haley Star on the outside in second, and Jenjen's Joy, Angel Eunice, and Careless Moment. But it's still Platinum Garden in the lead, followed by Haley Star on the outside in second, and Jenjen's Joy moving up in between horses. Angel Eunice now moving up by the rail. At the top of the stretch, Haley Star on the outside, Platinum Garden in between horses, Jenjen's Joy and Angel Eunice now moving up in between horses. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, Platinum Garden by the rail, Jenjen's Joy, Haley Star on the farther outside, Angel Eunice. And nearing the payoff line, Jenjen's Joy moving up on the outside is Haley Star. And finally at the payoff line, it's going to be Haley Star, Jenjen's Joy, Platinum Garden, Angel Eunice, Al Asim, Pride and Joy, and Careless Moment.
Hail a star.